Hi YouTube. Today we're looking at replacing a Dometic side window on a motorhome. It's actually failed again. You see the crack there, down both skins, external and internal. And Dometic are saying there isn't a problem, but people on the forum are contacting me and telling me there is a problem. Like I say, this is the second unit to fail. I'm fitting the new one today, but I'm just wondering why these units are failing. First of all, I thought it might be to do with it's fitted in a rear tailgate, and you know, the slamming action has caused the window to crack, but now I'm thinking it's a function of different expansion rates. You see there's a top aluminium rail there, and I'm thinking if it's a different expansion rate to the plastic window, it could cause thermal stress and the window to crack. You can see there that there's a gap of about almost a millimetre at the top there, so something's forcing it apart. Anyway, this is about changing the window. Unlike the S4, Dometic S4, this window unit doesn't have a frame. It just all hangs off the top rail. You can see that it's just basically an opening that's formed in the side of the bodywork with a seal on, and a rail fitted on the top there. So the new unit comes with the stays and the catches already attached. So basically, to remove the old one, all we need to do is undo these two screws here for the stays, and there's a screw there for a retaining catch at the end, and the whole unit will slide out sideways. Okay, so I've undone the screws for the stays. Just drops out there, and I've done that screw for the end catch for the hinge. This just comes out and the end cap just pops off. So having removed the screws now and the end cap, you can see that the whole window will just slide out of the top section there of the hinge. Here's the new window in position now. With the help of the top of the fence, I managed to slide it in sideways there. One-man job. An alternative to sliding it is if you lift the window straight up above the horizontal. The top hinge is designed to release the whole top of the window, but getting it back in that way can be a bit tricky. But if you've got two people, it might be the way to go. Here we have the new window unit in position now. The new stays back on, and the end cap in position. It's a fairly easy job for one person. It'd be a lot easier with two people. So that's it. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up on YouTube and subscribe. See you guys. Bye.